Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Friday of a long weekend. Last time I did this, we had an amazing night. We're talking about 160 bucks. Let's hope for another night like that. We're starting off with a good one. $24.04, 40 minute. Yes, let's get 25 right off the bat. Let's do it.
Thank you.
No problem. Hi, picking up for Ubereats for Stephanie, E2BB6. Perfect. Great, appreciate that. Thank you. Yeah, you have a good night. Hi, picking up for Ubereats for Ruth, 3D3CA.
Yeah, we name it.
Ruth. Yep, that's the one. Thank you. So that one was done in 32 minutes. Cha-ching, $24 in my pocket. Do you want to know what else is in my pocket? $11.07, 24 minutes. That's going to be over $35 just over the first hour. Yes, keep them coming. Hi, I'm picking up for Ubereats.
Number?
32868. Is that
Yeah,
actually, it's
that's
it.
right there.
Thank you. How you doing? Doing well. Have your dinner for you.
Oh, excellent.
There you go.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So 35 hours in under an hour. Yes, I'm absolutely loving this day. And I decided to go to an area with restaurants and they gave me this one. $15.07, 33 minutes. It's taken me slightly out of my zone, but that's going to mean if this is ready and I can get this done in 30, I'm going to be over $50 in the first hour and a half. I hope this night keeps rolling. The clouds are getting dark. I think I might be in for a rainstorm, but hopefully it can hold off and I can make some money. Hi there, picking up Ubereats on the hot chicken side.
Okay.
Adriano and OD5A4.
Perfect. You want to check for Adriano? Thank you so much.
Thank you. Appreciate that, thank you. I will, you too, thank you. So that last drop off took a little longer than I wanted, but it's in the books for over $50. Here's something I found interesting on the last two deliveries. So the Kelsey's order, the one two ago, the customer only gave a $2 tip, base pay over $9. Then this delivery, it wasn't ready, so I don't think it went to too many drivers. Again, base pay over $9. They still gave a $6 tip. So is Uber being generous? Is Uber finally taking care of their drivers instead of screwing us? Does Uber truly care about us? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on why my base pay, at least tonight over a long weekend, is high. Are they just giving us high offers so that we're going to take it, keep the wheels moving, keep delivering, and trying to make money, and in turn, they can get their orders delivered? I'm completely out of my zone. I didn't expect anything, and then I got this one. $8.08 for 15 minutes. It should be quick and easy. Gotta love it. But definitely comment down below. I'd love to know if that was your experience over the long weekend. Let me know your thoughts. Let's have a discussion. Yeah, for Ubereats, Crystal.
Okay. This is going to be one side.
Yep. Oh, perfect. Is there a bag or anything we can put in it?
I can't really give you a bag for the blizzards. Sorry about that.
Okay, it's just going to be left at someone's door.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll just give you another tray if you'd like, so that it's not as flimsy. But I can't really. Our bags aren't thick enough to fit.
Okay, yeah. Just other Dairy Queens, I usually get it in a bag.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Usually put it in a bag and then I'm able to put it in here.
Sorry about that.
That's okay. Hopefully they don't mind.
Sorry.
Thanks. I can't believe that Dairy Queen worker refusing to give me a bag. Has that ever happened to you? That's never happened to me. I'm like, just put it in a friggin' bag. I really didn't understand his reluctance just to give me a bag. Hopefully the customer still tips. Hopefully we're still good. But what isn't good is for the last hour after I dropped that off, the rain, the thunder, storm was really, really bad. The roads were flooded. I actually had to pull over for a while and slowly make my way to get back into my zone, to get back closer to home. It is really bad. I kept the Uber app on just to see what they'd give me, and believe it or not, I was still getting non-tips, but I wasn't getting any big orders at all. I don't think it's safe to continue, and even though I was on such a roll, we're talking, I made, so I'm going to end it with $58.84, just over 2 hours. Absolutely a phenomenal night until I got rained out. I really was hoping for over 100 tonight, but I'm out here, I'm hustling, I'm grinding. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It really helps me out. I would still love to know how you did on this night, providing you didn't get rained out. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.